Have you ever shared a big win with a close friend? Maybe a promotion, a new car, or a successful project, and for a split second you saw the glitch in their expression. They said the right words, they said congratulations, but their energy felt off. And this is called covert envy. Most people aren't evil, they're just trapped in the scarcity mindset. When you win, they don't see your hard works. They see their own lack of progress. They subconsciously start rooting for you to fail. And today I'm going to give you the detection protocol and the 3 micro signs of secret envy and the high status way to handle it respectfully without any drama. So let's get into it. Sign number 1, the backhanded blessing. This is actually an insult wrapped around a compliment. It's designed to level the playing field so that they don't feel below you. Example of it would be like, I'm happy for your new business. I wish I could have just ignored my family and work 80 hours per week like you do, but I just value balance so much. The translation is that they aren't praising the business, they're shaming your lifestyle. So the detection is that listen for the word but, or must be nice, it must be genetic, you got lucky. These are the linguistic markers of someone trying to minimize your achievements to make their own inaction feel alright. Sign number 2, selective silence. Watch people who are loud when you're struggling, but they suddenly go ghost the second you win. The psychology of it is that these are the type of people that they basically get pleasure from misfortune of others. And that usually happens because they're already miserable within themselves. So misery enjoys its company. And when you fail, these people are the first one that they call you to ask for check-in. It feels like support, but they're actually there to just sniff the carcass. They want the details of your failure because it makes them feel safe. And also, they will be using all these details that you've given them later on. You see that they might be coming in sarcasms or in moments that you have won something, but you don't understand why they have to brought this up to just remind you of your misfortunate times. Like it's like that they won't let you be fully happy. They want you to remember this as well, you know? So as much as you would like to talk to somebody in those situations, please keep it to yourself. Even journal about it, but do not tell them. Because in the future, you're gonna regret that deeply. And you're gonna be furious by the things that they say. And the test that I have from you to detect this type of people, when you have a massive win, notice who doesn't reach out. Because the silence isn't busyness, it's the sound of someone who can't swallow your success. Sign number 3, the immediate one-upper. The second that you share something that you're so proud of it, they immediately pivot the conversation back to themselves or a better version of your story according to them. Example of it is that you would say, oh, I just ran 5 kilometers. And then they would say that, oh, that's cool, my cousin did the Ironman. He said the training was brutal. The reality here is that they can't allow you to hold the highest status position for even 5 seconds. By shifting the focus, they are deplatforming you and your achievement. It's a defensive reflex to prevent their ego feeling diminished. So how to handle envy? What do you do when you detect the envy? Most people make the mistake of confronting those people. Don't do that. That's low status behavior. It feeds the drama and drains your mental RAM. So step 1, the information fast. Stop sharing your wins with them. If they aren't safe for your success, you don't get access to it. Keep the relationship on surface level. Step 2, the gray rock. When they try to level you with a backhanded compliment, respond with a simple, I appreciate that. No defense, no explanation. Don't give them the reaction fuel you're looking for. Step 3, calibrate your inner circle. Self-mastery is about energy management. You need mission-oriented people that see your win as a win to the tribe. If someone makes you feel heavy after a victory, they aren't a friend. They're an anchor. Get rid of it. Envy is their problem, but letting it affect you is your problem. You don't need to fix envious people. You just need to stop letting them rent a space in your head for free. True sovereignty is to be able to win in a full room of people who want you to lose and not even noticing their presence. So the challenge that I have for you, think of your last win that you shared with people. Who made you feel guilty for it? Who made you feel like you don't deserve this? Who made you feel inadequate? That's your data point. Run the information fast with them for the next month at least, or you can just have it that way. Comment somewhere below if you're done dimming your lights to make others feel comfortable. Screw them. Protect your energy and build your mission. And I'll see you in the next one.